Hey everyone, I'm Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm here to announce the winner of the brand new MIG155 giveaway. If you were one of the first of 2,000 subscribers to our channel, you're already entered to win. We're going to use our unbiased online name chooser to pick the winner of this contest. I've got my names copied and pasted into the random name picker, so let's go ahead and choose it. We'll be reaching out to the winner shortly. Let's scroll down. It looks like the winner is Marshall Collins. Congratulations, Marshall. Thanks so much to all of you for subscribing to our channel and being entered to win. If you didn't win the MIG155, don't worry, you're automatically entered to win our next giveaway, which is the MIG210 LCD at 5,000 subscribers. Be sure to share our channel with your friends and family and anyone you know who likes welding. Thanks for tuning in to today's giveaway results. I'll be back real soon to announce the winner of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway.